Hello class 8th student, it's the part 20 chapter 6. Here we discuss the question answer of the chapter. Let's start with the question number A or the exercise A. The question number 1 from the exercise A. Which of the following is an endangered species? So the example will one-horned rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros is the correct answer of this question. The second one, which of these is not an effect of deforestation? Means which of these is not affected by the deforestation, as we learn or in the chapter that the effects of deforestation. So here are 4 options given to you: reduce biodiversity, increase in greenhouse gases, increase in soil erosion. These all 3 done by the deforestation. But the next one, that is occurrence of tsunami, is not done by the deforestation. So D option will be correct here. Third, the species of a plant or animal found exclusively in a particular area are referred to as extinct. Is referred as extinct. Means the species of a plant or animal found exclusively in a particular area. Come on to question number 4. The climate change can cause a change in the migration pattern of bird, it loss of habitat of sea turtle, decrease in the population of animal living in polar region. All of the above. Means by the climate change all 3 causes can done. So D is the correct option, that all of the above. Come for the next. According to the red data list, the dash animal are facing a high risk of extinction in the immediate future. Those are critically endangered. Come for the exercise B. Fill in the blanks using the word given in the box. Dash is the process by which a fertile land becomes a desert, that is desertification. Second, Siberian crane is an example of the migrating animal. Third one, dash is the innermost zone of a biosphere reservoir, that is the core. Core is the innermost zone of biosphere reservoir. Next, dodo is an example of extinct species. Dodo is an example of extinct species. Excess of CO2 in the atmosphere leads to decrease in temperature, resulting in global warming. Come for the next exercise, that is C. State whether the following are true or false. Correct the false statement. If anyone is false, you have to correct it. So forest fire can cause deforestation. It's true. A well-balanced ecosystem can overcome natural disaster. True. Invasive species do not cause any harm to the ecosystem. It's false, because invasive species can cause harm to the ecosystem. We read this in the book para also. The next is the loss of one species affect the life of many other species. True. Overgrazing by cattle leads to soil erosion. It's true. So here we discuss the exercise A, B and C. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.